Just a little quick walkthrough of my townhouse garden on my little 10 by 10 patio. It's looking kind of sad right now because it's 100 degrees outside, but we got a bunch of herbs around here. Purple basil, peppermint, tarragon, and oregano, and some thyme. And what else we got in there? We got some sage and some oregano got mixed in there. There's some sage that's looking pretty bad, and the onions that were in here too are looking pretty bad. There's some cilantro, some basil, and some, there's the thyme again. Trying to sprout some moringa trees off these cuttings I purchased online and see what happens with that. Those guys are looking pretty bad and sad, and all I can do is water them and hope they come back. If not, I'll find some seeds and we'll replant them. Some lemongrass. Oh, these strawberries are drooping. Got some, whatever that mosquito plant is, citronella tree plant, whatever you call it. And then we got the lemongrass for the mosquitoes too. Some ginger right here. Got some peppers. We got some of these, I can't remember the names of everything. Got some more peppers. That one is spaghetti squash, I believe. And what's this? Thai basil. Got some onions, banana tree. Obviously that's going to come inside during the winter. We got lemons. We have lime tree, lemon tree, some Swiss chard, some more moringa. Got some potatoes coming up. Asparagus. Who knows what's going to happen with that. Then we got some cucumbers. This one's, there's some snowbird peas coming up in here. Plus we got, I think this one's sugar pumpkin. And they're all squashes, and this one is, no, I can't remember any. I'm getting mixed up. And we got cherry tomatoes, so we got a big purple Cherokee purple tomato and black crim tomato right there. Got some blueberries, and then here we got some more peppers, shishito peppers. We got some fennel. What's this? Lemon, purple coneflower, and then this one is lavender. Looking kind of, needs some water. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna have to soak these guys really good, maybe twice tomorrow. There's some parsley, and then we got some dill back here. And we got ourselves another blueberry tree. And I moved some other stuff inside because some critters were getting after them, and I wanted them to get bigger, a little more mature before I put them outside again, while I try to remedy the situation so they no longer have that problem. But this is all in a 10 by 10 space, and between this and my grow room and my lower level here, which is, I'd say, about 10 by 15 downstairs, which is an indoor grow room. Between the two, indoor and outdoor, I have over 60 different varieties growing in a townhouse with no yard. So if you think you cannot grow food in a townhouse or a small apartment, patio, this stuff is not hard to do. But look at, once all this starts fruiting, I'm gonna have everything I need to support myself. I have a freezer with a cow, 1/4 of a cow in it, and a bunch of chicken. And I have all the fruit and veggies, mostly veggies, fruit, you know, cantaloupe and melon, strawberries. The apple tree I am growing is a dwarf apple tree, and I don't expect that to fruit for a couple of years. And you know, my lemon and lime trees up there, I don't expect that to fruit. They're just fun projects that I'm trying. And then my banana tree is a project I am trying. Same with moringa, which they will be indoors during the winter. But this is what you need to be doing right now, growing food. There's going to be issues coming up here. In 6 to 8 months, you will not be able to get a lot of food that you're normally used to getting at the store. And there's going to be food shortages, so prepare yourself. And if you want to help growing food in your place, whether it's a townhouse, an apartment, you have a small backyard, or you have a 1/4 acre, you have 5 acres, you got 10 acres, you got 200 acres, give me a call and we will design a food forest or edible landscape to help you become self-sufficient and feed yourself forever. Have a great night. Food Forest Abundance, mn.com.